What's up, YouTube? We're live every day on kick.com/QUAZY. If you're liking content like these,
yo,
Micah's so brazy.
you already know I'm brazy. I'm Quazy with it and brazy with it. And so today, today we have a special unboxing today. Literally, I bought this. Wait, hold on. Even before we even get into the unboxing, we're going to talk a little bit about our channel. Follow me on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, comment. And also check me out on Kick. You get what I'm saying? We stream almost every day. Basically, we're a channel where we make funny content and do unboxings. So we're going to lock in on a package right now. A little bit about this package, chat. Palace, the streetwear brand, recently had a sale. So I had to, am I leaking? Okay, we're not leaking, chat, which is good. Your boy had to pick up. And so he got a couple of things. He dropped 200 on it. Something on 200. But chat, I got some fire ass pieces. I really hope I fit. I'll be getting some new clothes because your boy got slimmer. He don't fit no large no more. Wait, I don't think they sent me everything in here. Hold on. Nah. Okay, wait. Chat, how we gonna do this? Let's just pull it out. Pull it out like that dick game strong. Hold on. Hey, yo, blur that out. Yo, chat, so what do we got first? Chat, from Palace, we got a polo. A goddamn polo in sky blue. In Tiffany blue, chat, in a medium. I need a new polo. When I go into work, your boy's literally just wearing a white t-shirt after he goes box. And like, I ain't gonna pull no female workers looking like...
So Jediski says, Shishu and Meesing love the bust down blue.
Yes, sir, you already know. Bust down blue is insane. Like, and so QuaGang, hold on, listen. I took it off the wrapper. You get me? You get me? With the tags and shit. Type beat. Okay, let me put this on. Wait, smell test. QuaGang, smell test. No, that smells... That's certified. That's certified new clothes. That's what it smells like. It smells like certified new clothes. I'll tell you that right now. And so listen, Palace, if you're watching this, let's work together. You know, you get what I'm saying? You send me some clothing. I do some unboxing. I do some reviews. I'm not going to put it on just yet. Check it. Tough? Rate this. Rate this, chat. Hold on. I think it's gonna look really, really nice. Chat, I already have a fit in mind. I literally, chat, listen, I literally have a fit in mind already.
Icy.
And yeah, no, a little bit about this weekend, chat. Icy, hell yeah. It really is. This weekend, literally on the 27th, save the date, save the date, save the date. We're going outside. We're going outside for once. Chat, I know you guys, if you guys do watch my clips and stuff like that, I really don't go outside nowadays because I'm just really locked in. I'm really a homebody. I'm really a lone wolf. But chat, listen, this lone wolf has found his pack. And so we're going outside on the 27th. Save the date. I can't really talk too much about it just yet because we have to hype it up. And chat, this is too tight. Nah, actually, this is kind of fitted. Hold on. Nah, this shit kind of feels tight though. Yo. Chat, yo. This feels so fitted. I feel like one wash and then I'm done. I can't. Nah, this feels too hot. Chat, this is a super warm material. I've never had material like this. This is super warm. I could literally wear this during the winter and I'll be good.
Damn,
but good thing the winter's coming. Nah, chat, this is hella hot. Oh, you like it? Bad. Okay. Okay, that Jaska. I appreciate you.
So Jediski says, hide your kids, hide your wives.
Hi, B. Chat, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna just put... Shall I put the fit that I haven't planned? That I have planned. By the way, we're gonna call this the Dress with Quazy segment. So QuaGang, if you guys want to, like, you know, collab with me and send me some of your clothes to wear and try out, hide your kids, hide your wives. Exactly. Listen, you better hide them because you know what? I ain't gonna strike no chord, but it's not my fault if they're flocking and trying to DM me in this and chat. I ain't no strike no chord. I used to have this. Look, I don't think this really goes, but you know what? I'm gonna just rock full blue for that night. A little bit story time about this pants. Chat, I literally bought this from an outlet, and so I couldn't even fit it, but I wanted it because it was on sale and because I never had blue pants in my life. Okay, you get what I'm saying? And so this was originally like 70 bucks. I think I got this shit for like 30, like 35. This shit has been living in my closet for 8 years, and I couldn't even put it on. And chat, I'm about to put this on. I'm gonna put it on. You get me? If you guys want to see the uncensored, and then you guys actually want to see me change in front of the camera, and like maybe I'll accidentally slip my underwear down, remember to follow me up on my OnlyFans, onlyfans.com/QUAZY. We're having a promo right now. We're actually having an OnlyFans promo right now for $4.99. And if you want to check out more exclusive content, I gotta go off frame because we're on Kick, baby. Dude, I fit this shit. Chat, I look like a thug, no? 7
Expert Killer says
AR or
7
5
AR or
LXD.
5 LXD.
Okay, from my most recent, okay, don't hate me, but I'd say 7 AR because I feel like he's put in work. He's literally made a TikTok account and literally posted like 2 clips I'm on. I know he's sick right now. 7 AR, if you're watching, I hope you get well. PLX XD, he has his ups and downs. Chat, everyone has their, you know, pros and cons. But listen, at the end of the day, we're all human. You get me? And so, chat, peep it. You get me? It's kind of long. It's kind of long, I'm not gonna lie. But it fits. It's fitted. Different blues. Chat, look.
Expert
I
Killer
also have a
says
shoe in
7
mind.
AR or Ramos.
Check it. Huffington, no? That's crazy. Light blue, darker, then light again. And you already know I'm gonna put on a bandana. You get what I'm saying? We are fucking ready for the weekend IRL stream, chat. Just know content is on the way. Content is literally on the way. The numbers went up. News is news. God damn, I'm feeling it. Chat, hold on. Let me pop out my chain. Hold on. Oh, like that. Chat, like that. We're gonna get some chocolate this weekend. Hold on. I'm gonna get a bandana, but look, check it. Yo, triple blue setup. You get me? Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Remember to smash that subscribe button and check me out on kick.com. You get what I'm saying?